最后的作战。
Hi, how are you doing? This is Herbert here, and today I'm going to replace the earpads on the Bose QC35 noise cancelling headphones. My friend contacted me asking me if I can actually help him on his headphone because the earpads are worn. So again, I told him that he can have two choices. One is to get the aftermarkets and the other one is to get the original ones. Now the aftermarket earpads, I found them in Mong Kok. They cost roughly about $85, which is around $11 US. Now the original ones can be bought in Bose and they cost 300 Hong Kong dollars, and that works out to be around $38 US. He actually asked me which one will sound better. Now I actually don't know which one sounds better, so I told him, well, why not get the original ones, because since he can afford it and he's gonna get the same sound quality as before. Now getting the original replacement pairs is not hard in Hong Kong because there are a number of Bose shops around Hong Kong. The other day I passed by Tsim Sha Tsui, so I went to the Bose shops in Isquare, which is actually next to Nathan Road, and I got a pair of replacement pads without any troubles. Now I'm sure that they can actually do the replacement for me, but if they do that, then I will not have a video to show you guys. So in order to have a video to show you guys, I brought them back, and let's roll the tape. Let's do some check. Okay, this is how it is now. Really worn out and broken. Let's have a look at pads. Comes with nice instructions manual. Even have warranty for that. As you can see, if I just pull it off, these edge actually clip onto these points here. It clips onto these points here. So the new one will be catching, the edge will need to catch back into these bits that sticks out, that holds it. Now firstly, we'll replace the inner lining. Pull the old one off. Slowly clean out the old bits. And to clear sticky tape glue that's left over. And this is one way that I can do it. Okay, all clean up. Left. Try to align it so that it will sit like right in the middle. And push these well back into those marks, those clicks. There's one. Should be able to see it from here that the earpad is actually like this edge is sitting right at the back now, with this little tab sticking out to actually hold it in place. So you can actually go around it and double check. One missing here. Okay. Now the next one. Again, cleaning the old sticky double-sided tape. Before putting the new lining in. It is actually interesting to find an acoustic filtering material right in front of the driver, and then I can actually see probably something like a microphone right underneath, and that looks like a noise cancelling, part of the noise cancelling system. Okay. One thing to mention, both sides are the same, and then it's actually symmetrical from top to bottom, front to back, so as long as it's actually in line with the shape. There are two ways I can go about putting it back on in terms of like clipping it back on, is that I can do the two sides first and then I can do this to the top and bottom, or I can just go around. It's just up to you actually. As long as I've checked that all the tab is actually holding the edge of the earpad, then it is secured. There we go. With some of these cases where there's cloth inside, usually it gets caught up with quite a lot of dust, and to clean that off, you can use some sticky tape just to stick all the dirt out. Changing the earpads on the Bose is slightly harder than the ones in Danon, but I think it's still pretty manageable, and if you look at the video carefully, then everyone should be able to change it themselves. And especially if you get a aftermarket pairs, then it will be cheaper, and then you can do the DIY yourself. Now I'll be returning the headphone to my friends tonight, and I'm sure that he will be really happy with it. If you like this video, give me a thumb up, subscribe for future videos, and more importantly, do remember, take great care of yourself, and I will see you next time.